Hello everyone, welcome back to Yolanda de Great Hair Care, where we empower you to embrace the natural beauty of your hair. Today, we are diving into a simple yet effective DIY dandruff remedy that promises to soothe your scalp and banish those pesky flakes. If dryness, itchiness, or product buildup have been plaguing your hair, this remedy is designed just for you. First, let's take a moment to understand what causes dandruff. Many believe it's merely an annoyance, but it can signal deeper issues on your scalp. Factors like dryness, irritation, and even an imbalance in yeast can contribute to this condition. Your scalp is craving a little extra care, and the wonderful remedy we're concocting today allows you to provide exactly that, restoring balance and vitality back into your hair. For this effective treatment, you'll only need 3 natural ingredients that are easily accessible. First up is aloe vera gel, celebrated for its soothing properties that hydrate and calm irritation on the scalp. Next is tea tree oil, a powerhouse ingredient known for its antifungal properties that combat flakiness. Lastly, you can choose between coconut oil or olive oil. Both are excellent moisturizers that aid in spreading the remedy smoothly across your scalp. Together, these ingredients create a nourishing blend that soothes inflammation and restores moisture. Truly a simple yet potent solution for scalp health. Creating this remedy is a breeze. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut or olive oil and add around 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Mix these together until you achieve a smooth and creamy texture. It's as easy as that, an effective treatment ready for application. Now let's talk about how to apply it. Start with clean, slightly damp hair. Section your hair and use your fingers to apply the mixture directly to your scalp. Remember to take your time and give a gentle massage. The massaging action stimulates blood flow and enhances the penetration of those nourishing ingredients. Once your scalp is fully coated, allow the remedy to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Cover with a shower cap for a little extra warmth and effectiveness if desired. After the waiting period, rinse your scalp with lukewarm water before following up with your regular shampoo and conditioner routine. You'll notice immediate effects. Your scalp will feel significantly calmer and more balanced. With ongoing weekly use, say goodbye to flakes and itchiness as your scalp transitions to a healthier state. Give this remedy a try and don't forget to share your experience with me in the comments. Until next time, embrace your natural beauty.